Hi, I'm Aaron.
And I'm Jessica, and we are getting married.
And I'm going to show you some of the cool tools I built to help us with our wedding planning using Telerik and DevExpress controls. So first I'll show you the website. This is the site I made for us. It's got photos of us. People can learn a little bit about the couple. But a couple things I built and where we're getting our data is this gift section here. People can go to the honeymoon section and buy us parts of our honeymoon. We figured this would be a great way to not have as much stuff around the house and also be able to go to Hawaii. The other bit of data we're pulling is RSVP information, which is just a little nice RSVP card, and we asked everybody to please register online that they're coming. And so here's the plan. AaronandJessica.com is going to have some really useful data tools to help us plan and save a little bit of time getting this thing ready. So the first thing, we have real-time RSVP monitoring so that everybody knows exactly who is coming. Next, we're going to keep an eye on the gifts for the honeymoon because we want to know if we can actually afford to go to Hawaii. Next, a tool to help us figure out who should sit with whom, because it's not fun if you forget somebody on a spreadsheet. So better have a way to link it to the RSVPs. Last thing we're going to do is some custom reporting, because we're going to make table place cards with the table assignments and a lot of other stuff that I'm sure will end up having to be merged off the data from the RSVPs. And lastly, this needs to be family proof so that my parents, who don't live in the city with us, and Jessica's parents, who also don't live in this city, have access and can help us out doing data. I'm using the Telerik controls and the DevExpress controls for various things. I'm using the Rad tab strip from Telerik, Rad grid and all of its wonderful Ajax functionality, and Rad chart. From DevExpress, I'm using their menu control, their reporting designer and tools, and their web report viewer. Alright, so here's what I built. These are tools that myself and Jessica and our parents and her parents can log into and see what's going on with the wedding planning. We're doing real good. We've got pretty much everybody coming. These are people who are coming and are going to spend the night where we're having our wedding, and these are people who are coming that don't need to stay the night, and these are people who aren't coming. We've pretty much assigned everybody to a table, which is great, and it looks like we're going to Hawaii. People have been giving us nice honeymoon gifts, so I'll show you what we've been using to chart our RSVPs. We've got 197 people coming, and here we go. I got a nice little rad grid here. These are people who are coming that need a room, people who are going to come but live close enough they can go home, and people who are not coming to the wedding. Used the Telerik nice skins that they have for these rad grids, made it really easy to color code this, real simple for everybody to kind of see what's going on with the RSVPs. The next thing I've got here, since we've got everybody RSVP'd, we assigned them all tables, and we all got to help and do this, my parents, Jessica, and her parents. And so I'll just show you. Let's say we wanted to move Michelle. This table 1's too crowded. We're going to put her at table 2. So we changed that to a 2, and all the rad grid Ajax functionality is right there. She's now in table 2, and real simple. Everybody was able to help out. This was not tough to organize at all. So now that we've got all of our data in here, we need to make those nice little place cards for people to pick up once they enter the reception hall, and that's what these are. We made a custom report using the DevExpress reporting tool and their web report viewer control. So these print nicely on the little perforated sheets that we're going to set up on a table. You can see we've got everybody in there, nice and easy. You can save it to a PDF and take it to a nicer printer, or it looks just fine printing it here on nice paper. It's a real simple way to merge that data. And the last thing is we've been keeping track of our honeymoon gifts. So these controls made it really easy to take care of all of our data for the wedding planning. So that's it. That's the wedding reporting tools, and it made planning the wedding a total breeze. There really wasn't much else to do besides that, right?
Right.
All right. Thank you.